Steps on how to roll over 401k to Gold IRA with top Gold IRA companies for 2024. Navigating retirement planning can be complex, but rolling over your 401k to a Gold IRA can help safeguard your assets against market fluctuations. Here's the guide. 1. Understand Gold IRA basics. A Gold IRA lets you invest in physical gold, offering protection against economic instability. 2. Review your 401k plan. Check for any restrictions on rollovers by consulting your plan administrator. 3. Choose a reputable custodian. Select a reliable Gold IRA custodian with a strong track record and positive reviews. 4. Open a Gold IRA account. Complete the application process with your chosen custodian. 5. Initiate the rollover. Opt for a direct rollover to avoid tax issues, or complete an indirect rollover within 60 days. 6. Pick your gold investments. Choose from gold bullion, coins, or bars, and consider diversifying. 7. Follow IRS regulations. Ensure compliance with IRS rules on gold purity and mandatory distributions. 8. Monitor your investments. Regularly review your Gold IRA to stay aligned with your financial goals. 9. Plan future contributions. Consider making additional contributions within annual limits. 10. Seek financial advice. Consult a financial advisor to align your rollover with your retirement strategy. By following these steps and working with top Gold IRA companies, you can effectively protect and grow your retirement savings. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.